I want you to take my fingerprint and prove you wrong.
On May 6th, 2023, police made contact with a woman during an incident that initially appeared minor. When officers attempted to detain her, she resisted and made an unexpected move that escalated the situation.
Hey, Alex!
What officers later discovered only added to the seriousness of the case.
I didn't do anything wrong!
This is what happened next.
It's the two down there at the end with the cart and the kind of red hair and that guy?
Yep, those two was with the one that you already had go at.
Okay, and they've previously shoplifted before?
Yeah, they've come in here. I've seen them in here a couple times, few times coming in.
What time do you guys close today? Hi guys, how we doing? Hey, need you guys to leave the store without taking anything. You guys are identified as previous shoplifters. Yeah, store security said, they called us here. They said you walked in with another guy just now and they literally pointed you out. Both of you? Yeah, both of you. You guys are trespassing from the store for life and you need to leave.
You know what gives it away, bro? What? Those stolen jeans.
The jeans with the stolen tags on them, and then you guys are in the tool department and you got a bunch of heavy stuff in your pockets. And
I got my phone, that's it.
okay, so you guys need to leave the store, okay? If you don't leave now, you're going to get arrested for trespass. You guys understand you can't come back? Cool, they don't want your business. They don't want your money. The store, security.
Security.
It's really simple.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. What's that? No, they don't want your business. They don't want your business. You got to take those gloves off. You got to leave. I'm not a weirdo. I'm just doing my job. You got to leave. Well, I'm sure if I took your dirty fingerprints outside and got your fingerprints, you'd have a long history of.
Excuse me?
You have dirty
You want to
hands.
do it? Let's go. Check it out. Check it out. Come on. You want? No, seriously.
Stop. Don't grab the
No,
card.
I
Don't
want
grab the
you.
card. Let
I
go.
will grab my purse.
Let go. You can take the purse. Go ahead. You got to leave the
I want
store.
you to take my fingerprint. Thank you. Take my fingerprint. Seriously. And prove you wrong. Okay, thanks.
We would have to go all the way out to my car out front. Cool? That's really, really rude.
I don't care. You're really, really rude.
Go
How are you
ahead.
gonna tell me I have a long?
Go ahead. It would be a really fun end to my day.
I know.
I'm good. I just don't think you should be slinging around terms like that because it's rude.
Why would you take my
You got to leave the store. I'm going to arrest you for trespassing.
You said I was gonna have, and you're so
Keep
wrong.
going. Keep going. You got to clear the store and clear the entire parking lot. Oh boy. That's actually called disorderly conduct. Stop where you are. You're under arrest. If you start to run, I've already told you you're under arrest. If you start to run, I'm going to chase you.
I didn't fucking do anything wrong. Are you
Swing
serious?
at me. If you swing at me,
Y'all, I didn't do nothing wrong. I swear to God, you guys are. I'm not under arrest.
you're under arrest.
For what? For what?
Disorderly
No,
conduct.
no.
Let go of me.
No.
Hey, listen.
You
I
let
gave
go.
you
I didn't
plenty
do
of
anything wrong. You
opportunities.
guys are out of pocket right now. I swear to God. For
Let
what?
go.
I didn't fucking do anything wrong.
Let go. You're going to get
Are you
put on the
serious?
ground.
For what? What did I do? Tell me what the fuck I did. Tell me what I did.
It's called
Tell me what
conduct
for what?
for throwing their property on the ground.
Are you fucking serious?
Absolutely.
Because you guys are so out of pocket. I'm sitting here trying to pay with my money. I have money, cash money, okay?
Okay. You were told to leave the store
And I did.
7-8 times.
No, but I literally
Let go
didn't
of
think you were
your
talking about me. You're not arresting me.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
Go ahead.
Stop.
Stop. You guys are,
Hey, there's a mag. There's a mag there. Who's mag?
you guys are fucking so out of pocket.
I got mine.
For what? Alex! I
Guys
didn't do
approaching
anything
us. You went in
wrong.
the store with two guys.
Alex, get a camera.
We are videotaping.
Good. No, you're a fucking fact. I'm not even
fighting
doing it.
us.
Can you guys stop?
Hey, your arm
You're
could get
absolutely
broken.
relaxing.
Oh, no shit.
Your arm could
You
get
need to
broken. I don't want
relax.
to break your arm.
Clearly you do.
You're resisting.
Stop.
Roll over on your stomach.
For what?
Did you say, yeah, you know? Okay, now
No,
you're
I'm
under
saying-
arrest for another charge
No,
for
I'm
resisting
saying,
arrest.
why are you guys doing this? I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
No, do you want to get tased? That's the
Dude,
next
I
step.
didn't do anything
That's the
wrong.
next step.
You guys are so out of pocket. I swear to God, you guys are.
Stop.
You guys are. I didn't do anything fucking wrong. You guys are so out of pocket. I swear to God. You guys are so fucking. What the fuck is wrong with you guys? You guys are nervous. I swear to God. You guys are so. I don't understand what the fuck is wrong with you guys. What the fuck? How you tell me to stand up and then fucking push me down? You fucking
Stand up. We said stop.
Stop.
you.
Why are you freaking out?
Because I'm being arrested for what? I didn't do anything. Can you stop? Get the fuck off of me.
Stop thrashing.
Get off
Stop
my fucking leg, you fucking piece of shit. What the fuck is wrong with you? I fucking hate you. I swear to God, you guys are
You're not the
so...
first, you're not the last.
You guys please let me stop.
Okay, so you're under arrest. You
For
just need to
what?
calm
Why
down.
did you do anything wrong? Can you tell him to get the fuck off me? Seriously, it's fucking fucking hurting my fucking leg.
No, you just started kicking at my
I did not
officer.
try to kick him.
I saw it.
God
Do
damn.
not stand. Do not stand up.
Kick at us.
I never will kick him.
Your audio and video recording.
Good for you.
I got it out of your face for you.
So wrong, I swear to God. I literally was running in, I'm going home. I'm getting on myself here. I'm really going home.
No, that's different.
Yeah, thank you very much.
This is a different thing?
Yeah, they
thank you.
identified them as previous
No,
shoplifters.
not
We
me.
went and
On my kid's
trespassed her.
life, not me. On my kid's
told her to
life.
leave a bunch of
I've
times.
never been to the store with him.
She finally left. As she left, she grabbed a stack of buckets and tossed them backwards at me.
I swear to God, I didn't think he was talking.
You didn't think who was talking to you?
You guys, I thought
When?
it was like
She had eater?
When we were in the store? Yeah, I was talking
Yeah.
to you. We said many
That's
times.
why I know.
We'll
Why
go back.
like you said, you guys.
We'll go back to the footage. No, she's not ID. Just trespass from the store for life, and you need to leave.
Hey, what are you doing?
Kayla, how do you...
You're under arrest. We can search your
How you gonna
bag.
go through my shit?
It's called incident to arrest.
No, fuck no. K-I-L-A. You guys are so out of
K-I-L-A.
No, do not stand up. We're ready for you to stand up. I'll tell you.
I'm not helping in this situation.
Okay.
Are you injured at all?
Yes, I am.
What's wrong?
What hurt?
When you knee on my fucking back, my fucking chair is hella bad. It's hard to breathe.
So we're also going to have a sergeant come up here and talk to you.
That's
because we
fine.
used
That's
the
perfectly
force.
fine.
Okay, but they're going to want your name.
Okay, I told you my name.
Okay. Kayla, what's your date of birth?
You want to stand up? I can sit you down on the bumper now.
I have a name for
You guys, I don't get how this is legal. How is this legal at all?
Have a seat. Actually, you know what? Do you have anything in your pockets? Anything on you that's going to hurt me, poke me, stick me? Needles, knives, explosives, guns, anything like that?
No.
Let's walk over here to the back of the car.
You're so fucked up. I didn't do anything wrong. Seriously. You guys are so fucked up.
Stop reaching
I'm
for
trying
stuff.
to push my pocket back
You don't have
in.
to push your pocket back in.
I just don't understand how this is even legal. How is this even legal?
New drug laws in Kent.
I swear on my
Possession-
kid's life, literally, you can. I'm not even kidding. I just put this
New
code on.
drug laws just signed into effect yesterday.
I could give you a fucking UA right now. I swear to God. I literally just put this code on. I swear to God. I'm not even kidding. I would have told you if I knew I had to do that. I swear to God. I swear to God. On my kid's life. Why am I getting arrested right now?
You're
Like,
under
I don't
arrest.
understand.
You're
Why?
under arrest for
I didn't do
disorderly
anything
conduct.
wrong.
And you're under arrest for resisting arrest.
Because I didn't do anything wrong. I understand there's no reason I should be arrested right now. Literally, no fucking reason I should be arrested right now. This is so out of pocket. Seriously, there's nothing. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm my kid's life. I swear, I'm not even kidding. I just about do him. I swear on my kid's life.
You know the street name for him.
Yes, I do. I know. Yeah, I know what the fuck they are. I live in the fucking ghetto. Hello.
See my hand?
How would you do that?
I have to sweep the underside of your bra. Make sure you don't have anything in there. Step in there.
No fucking reason to be arrested right now. I don't understand why I'm being arrested.
Put your foot in. We already explained it to you when we were trying to
No, I
talk to you.
didn't do
on the way out of the
anything
store.
wrong at all. No,
Okay.
fucking wrong.
I didn't ask you any questions yet. Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer, have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You could decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions, or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights I've explained to you? Do you need me to read the rights again? No? Okay. Do you understand the rights I've explained to you? No answer? Okay. What's that?
I said, yeah.
You do? Okay. Having your rights in mind, do you want to talk to me now?
No.
No? Okay.
Yeah, one question. Why do you really think I deserve to be taken to jail? I've been to jail one time in my fucking life.
Okay, your warrants would say otherwise.
My warrants? You're lying. I don't know freaking warrants.
Unless you gave us a bad name. If you give
I
us a
have no,
fake name,
what warrant? I swear to God, my kid's
Did you
life.
give
I
us
don't,
a fake name?
No,
Because you
K-I-L-S,
have-
Sydney Smith. No.
you have warrants for theft.
No, I don't. For what? What are you talking about? I went to court. I want it deferred.
Okay, here's what I'm going to do.
I
am
went to jail one time.
I am going to go to my car. I'm going to get my fingerprint scanner.
Please.
If you ended up giving us a false
No,
name,
it's my name.
Okay. If you gave us a false name, then you're going to get extra charges for
Okay,
it.
that's my real name. And I don't have no warrant. How
So
am I just went to court and
you
I
do have
paid?
warrants. That's what we just pulled up on our computer.
How? But I paid $256.
Something from Federal Way and something from Auburn.
Federal Way? Well, can you tell me because I have no knowledge of this at
We'll
all.
go through that. We'll go through that in just a minute, okay?
So, all right, well, We're gonna take you into custody on that now.
Who's this?
Disorderly. Yeah.
Yeah.
When we put hands on her,
I said like 3 times after that. Like, that's disorderly conduct. You're under arrest. Stop moving. Don't run. Stop moving. Don't run. You're under arrest. Okay. And I was like, hey, if you start running, it's going to be more. And then as soon as we put hands on her, she super hard resisting. And then at one point, we go to put her on the ground, and she tucks her head and does a full flip. Kicked me in the back of the shoulder. I don't know if that was just a front flip thing or not. But
Okay. Are you injured?
oh, I'm fine.
Are you injured? I think that it either will go into effect in July, or they'll do it early, depending on what the state does. Because the state might come back and say the city can't do that. Miss, what's your first name? Kayla. Okay. Hey, real quick, my body cam's on, so we're being audio and video recorded. My partner said, so you're in custody right now, okay? And I would be willing to chat with you, but because you're in custody, I got to read you your rights, and then you have to be willing to chat with me, and that's completely up to you. But if you want to talk, I have to do that. Is that something you want me to do? Okay, sounds good. All right, Kayla, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning. If you wish, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand the rights that I've read to you, Kayla?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to talk to me about?
First off, I was in there, okay, I literally was buying stuff, I swear to God, I was buying everything, and then they came, and honestly, the guy I was with, they said, you guys, so he's with somebody else. I really didn't think they were talking to me, because I've never stolen from here or anything.
Okay.
There's no reason, you know what I mean? So I really didn't think he was talking to me, and I was like, and so like, he started walking out, and I was kind of kept going, and he's like, come on, you guys, and I was like, I was shocked. I was like, you're talking to me? Like, there's no reason I should be kicked out here. Maybe because, you know, I was with him or something. I don't know. But anyways, so then I walk out, and of course, yeah, I'm mad. Because there's no reason I literally wanted to buy stuff. There's no reason I should be kicked out of here. It's hell embarrassing. Like, there's no reason.
Sure.
And so all I did was I just knocked down the bucket, which I shouldn't have done. I should control my anger. But I just knocked down the buckets, and then they literally tackled me and, like, put his knee in my back, like, hella hard, flipped me upside down, really for no reason, like, seriously, all because I didn't touch nobody, I didn't hurt nobody, I didn't do anything. 2 buckets fell, like, 2 small, tiny little 5-gallon buckets, or gallon buckets.
Okay.
Which I know it's understandable, I shouldn't have done that, but literally, they should not have done that. Like, I did nothing wrong. They said I have warrants. Can you tell me what I have warrants for? Because I've been in jail 1 time.
Yeah,
I
can look at it, but I don't know. I haven't looked at anything. I'm just here to kind of get the quick version of what happened, so I appreciate you telling me that.
And
but
he's so disrespectful, literally. He said because my fingers were dirty, I probably have a long record of, like, crimes or whatever. Like, I've been to jail 1 time.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. When, I guess, some of the portions of this is that we get called here or we get asked by employees to come tell people that they need to leave. And apparently, I don't know, because I just got here, right?
Uh-huh.
Some of the people that you were with were previously trespassed. I don't know if you have been previously trespassed.
No.
It sounds like you're saying no. But as soon as the business tells us they want this group of people gone, it is completely their right to ask us to do that.
Yeah, I totally understand. But like I said, I literally didn't think he was talking to me.
And then at the point where you do realize he's talking to you and you get flustered, right? Because it's embarrassing, and I get that. The problem with throwing the buckets on the ground out of anger, I get it, is that it's disorderly conduct.
Yeah.
And at that point, they do have a legal reason to arrest you. And as soon as officers tell you, hey, you're under arrest, even if you think it's bullshit, instead of arguing or resisting their attempts to put your hands behind your back to put you in handcuffs, you gotta just be compliant, and then you can argue it after the fact. If you think it's BS, that's fair. That's your right. But if you resist when we're trying to put you in handcuffs, it makes it dangerous for you. It makes it dangerous for us. And so I understand that you're upset about it, and unfortunately, that's how it played out. But that's unfortunately what happens when people resist. We have to kind of begin to do more than just simply try to get your arms behind your back. So that's why they put you on the ground to handcuff you, okay? And looks like the fire department came, okay? And in terms of the warrants, I'll go figure out what the warrants are for, and I'd be willing to tell you what those are. I just don't know yet, okay?
Okay.
And your name is Kayla.
Yeah.
What's your birthday? What's your middle name, Kayla?
Sydney.
Okay, yeah, I'll let you know what the warrants are for, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Tell them that literally why I have other cards and all those gift cards is because I purchased a storage auctions at the public storage, and the cards were in the storage. So that's why I have those cards, and I literally have them because there's hella gift cards, you know. Mm-hmm. And so I just grabbed them all and put them in proof of everything. I paid $700 some for storage. Okay. I'm on Pat Carway, the one of my friend Meyer.
I'll let him know.
And my
The
goal
warrant-
better be there too.
The warrant out of Auburn is for criminal trespass. Criminal
I did
trespassing.
defer though, but
Deferred it.
yeah.
Maybe missed a court date or missed something. I don't know.
They told me I
So-
literally paid, because I paid half of it, and for 40 hours community service, I just paid it off, like
Gotcha.
$156, something like that.
Okay.
And then the other half, she said, I'm not even going to make another court date, and it was done.
Okay.
So why?
For whatever reason, it's in there, and it's your name, it's your middle name, it's your birthday, right? And the
what's
name you gave me is.
another one?
There was one out of Fedway, but I don't think it was you. It was a different middle name, unless you gave the officers in Fedway a different name. And I don't need to confirm that right now because the Auburn one's fine, and we have disorderly conduct from today, right? So, but here's the thing: when you go to Auburn next, just check in at the court and be like, "Hey, I got arrested." Or maybe when you go to jail today, maybe they'll just help you figure it out and put you in contact with the right people. Okay?
I'm really getting arrested though.
Yes, you are. Okay. Hang tight for just a minute.
EBT Edge. Oh, these are all. Do you want your cash?
Or can that go with your husband?
That can go
Okay. All right. Apparently, it's our suspect's car, and her husband is passed out inside and is not waking up. I'm gonna give it one more attempt, but he does have some drug paraphernalia in his lap. Can I open the door and talk to you? Your wife got arrested.
Yeah.
Yeah. These things happen. She wanted us to give you her purse. She was identified by their store security as somebody who had shoplifted previously, and they wanted her trespass. There's a bullet right here on the door, just so you know. Any guns in the car?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyway, so she's under arrest for obstruction and disorderly conduct because she was throwing stuff around the store and she got mad. We told her she had to leave and was trespassing and all that. So, I just have to have a name for my report to say who I gave her property to. What's your last name, Most? Oh,
Your stuff on there?
yeah. There's some stuff in the card pack pile.
I'll go grab it.
There was like two or three names. Howd, Houde. Is there like food stamp cards for your kids or something?
Going to jail?
Yeah.
So we got some more cards we'll get back to you and stuff.
Yeah. We were separating stuff that didn't have her name on it, and then that's pretty much what happened. Do you have the keys? The keys in there? Okay, cool.
Probably shouldn't be driving though. Maybe find somebody else to drive for you.
Yeah, I don't know if you smoked or something recently, but I was trying to wake you up for.
I literally was just waiting for her forever. I took a nap.
Oh yes. Okay. Well. Any questions? You can contact the Kent City Jail and they'll find out how long. Okay.
The woman was charged with trespassing and resisting without violence. Also had 2 active warrants for criminal mischief and driving with a suspended license.